Today we're focusing on opening up those hips, loosening tight muscles, and improving mobility. This routine is perfect for anyone looking to stretch out and feel more flexible. So let's get right into it, fam. First, we've got our hip opener sit-ups. We'll start seated. Feet together, knees wide apart in a butterfly position. Slowly lean back and sit up and press your knees down gently. This move helps open up the hips and stretch the lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move to hip rotations, and we're going to do a semicircle hula hoop. Still on your knees. Imagine you're doing a hula hoop motion with your hips, creating a semicircle. This move will mobilize the hips and loosen up any stiffness in your lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move on to the sumo low lunge with the right foot. So you want to step out into a sumo squat, then bring your right foot into a low lunge, dropping your hips to the floor. Hold for a few breaths, feeling that deep stretch through your hips and inner thighs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's switch sides. Bring back the right foot. We're going to switch to the left side. Bring your left foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your hips low, feeling that stretch in your left hip flexor and thigh. 5, 4. From the low lunge, step back into the downward dog. Alternate, bending the knees, pressing each heel into the floor to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. So we're going to hold each side for about 25 seconds. Total is going to be 50 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Next, let's get the blood flowing with some butt kicks. Kick your heels up toward your glutes, alternating legs, and keeping the movement light and bouncy. 5, 4, 3. Now moving on to standing forward bends. 1. Now fold forward from the hips, reaching toward the floor or your toes. Let your head and arms hang heavy, feeling the stretch along your hamstrings and lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ankle rotations. Let's loosen up the ankles. Stand on your left leg and gently rotate your right ankle in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. 5, 4, 3. Now switch sides. Switch to the left ankle now, keeping your balance and focusing on those circular motions to improve ankle mobility. 5, 4, 3. Let's open the chest, clasp your hands behind your back, straighten your arms, and drop your chest toward the ground, keeping your spine straight. You can also lift your chest toward the sky. This will stretch out your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Perfect after all those hip and leg stretches. And there you have it, fam. A quick, effective stretch to open up your hips, loosen tight muscles, and improve your mobility. If you enjoyed this routine, be sure to subscribe for more stretches and workouts to keep your body feeling its best. See you in the next video. Peace out.